Using Afterpay BigCommerce integration is a great way to enhance the shopping experience for your customers and increase sales for your business. In this guide, we will explore why you should use this integration and how it can benefit your online store. Firstly, Afterpay is a popular buy now pay later service that allows customers to purchase products and pay for them in installments. BigCommerce is a leading e-commerce platform that provides businesses with the tools they need to create and manage their online stores. By integrating Afterpay with BigCommerce, you can offer your customers a flexible payment option that can help increase conversions and reduce cart abandonment. To get started with the integration, you will need to install the Afterpay app in your BigCommerce store. This app will allow you to configure the Afterpay payment option and customize the payment plans that are available to your customers. You can choose from a variety of payment plans including Pay in 4 or Pay in 6, and you can also set the minimum and maximum order values for the payment option. One of the key benefits of using Afterpay BigCommerce integration is that it can help increase sales and revenue for your business. By offering customers a flexible payment option, you can attract more customers to your store and increase the average order value. Additionally, the integration can help reduce cart abandonment by giving customers the option to pay for their purchases in installments. Another benefit of the integration is that it can help improve the customer experience. Afterpay is a trusted and recognized brand, and by offering the payment option, you can build trust with your customers and enhance their shopping experience. The integration also provides customers with a seamless and secure payment process that can help reduce friction and increase conversions. In terms of best practices, it is recommended that you clearly display the Afterpay payment option on your product pages and at checkout. This will help ensure that customers are aware of the payment option and can take advantage of it. You should also customize the payment plans to fit your business needs and ensure that the integration is properly tested before going live. In conclusion, using Afterpay BigCommerce integration can be a great way to enhance the shopping experience for your customers and increase sales for your business. By offering a flexible payment option and providing a seamless and secure payment process, you can attract more customers to your store and increase conversions. By following the best practices outlined in this guide, you can get the most out of the integration and take your business to the next level.